Hi, WhatsApp, welcome back. Today we are going to make a simple text logo in Photoshop, so stay tuned. Search photop.com in the Chrome tab. Now click New Project. Now choose a suitable dimension, widths 800 by heights 800 pixels for same size, the background transparent, and click Create. You are good to go. Now go to File, and click Open and place to transport an image, to use as a background, and fill the image the whole canvas. Now double-click the image layer, and click Blending Options. Now click Color Overlay, and change the color to blue, and opacity to 55%, and click OK. Now go to Filter, and click Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Now click Text tool, and choose a font you want to use. The font I use is a Mazdum. Right, I download that font from dafont.com and upload it to Photop. Now type a letter text you want to use as your logo, and click right check mark up above. Now go to Edit up above, and click Free Transform, to resize the text letters, and align to the center. Now double-click the text layer, and click the top option, Blending Option. Now click Color Overlay, and change the text color to white and opacity to 100%. Now click Stroke, and change the color to pink. Follow my cursor highlighter to understand what I am doing. Now click Drop Shadow, and then click Bevel and Emboss, to make the text letter look like 3D letter. Now click Outer Glow, and let's go back to Stroke option, and change the color pink to black, and hit OK. Now double-click the text layer, and click Duplicate Layer, to have the second layer. Then click the copied layer on the top, and go to Text, click and cut or backspace the letter C, and then click the right check mark up above, then you are good to go. Now go to Edit, and go down, and choose Free Transform, move the letter K, and align on top of the other text letter K on the bottom, click the right check mark up above. Now double-click the text layer on the top, and choose the blending option, then go to Color Overlay, and change the color white to yellow, and then click the stroke, then change color black to pink, click OK, you are good to go. Now move the text layer on the top to down of the other text layer. Then click the text layer on the top, and tap text letter K to cut or backspace, then click the right check mark up above, now you are good to go. Now go to File on top, and go down, click Export As, and then you will see various forms, then choose any form you want, save the logo, and then click Save.